Very good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for being here. I'm Saitharan and I'm the DSC lead for University of Dayton, and we have Warren as well, who is co-leading the same group at University of Dayton presently. So, without getting much wasted, without wasting much time, I would like to share my screen. Just give me a second. I think you can see my screen, I guess. So, yeah, very good afternoon once again. Thank you so much for coming here. I knew it's very tough on the weekends, and thanks for showing up to our event. And welcome to Developer Student Club, University of Dayton's. And I'm Saitharan, and I'm the DSC lead. And given that there is no club on campus, I was, like tasked with the job of, creating this club on campus and initializing it. So this presentation, it's an info session. It's just going to inform you about everything related to our club and what we're gonna do, what you're going to get as a member, and yeah, pretty much everything else. So without wasting much time, I would like to walk you through what we're gonna do, everything. And yes, like before getting into what DSC is all about, I would like to ask you, everyone, the audience, question like, how many of you want to work in tech after graduation? Like, I just want to see comments like yes, no, or something like that. So obviously, we have a lot of people from the School of Engineering in like so many people from computer science, as well as other people in different majors and sectors who wish to learn how to code. So how many of you want to work in tech after graduation? I think I'm just assuming that a lot of you are want to work in tech as soon as you graduate. And also, one more question for you guys, and do you have all the tools that you need, like to work on various technologies? So this is a question that really Google asked itself when they established the Developer Student Club, and they learned that that most of the students, whereas they really want to have tech careers, they want startups, they want to just launch their own career, just they don't really have all the tools they need. This is where we come in as a developer student club. So the developer student club job is to bridge the gap between theory and practice for student developers. So at university you learn the theory, you learn the math behind it, you learn a lot of a bit of programming as well, but the reality is I mean, but really the practice goes down to each and every student, and their personal work is where we come in. We are trying to help you, and our goal is to simplify, uh, simply equip you with all the necessary tools that you need, and moreover, we are here to be able to survive in tech after graduation, and after we can help you by giving you all these sort of tools, and we just want and we can also be able to aid you and give you the tools so you can create a lot of impact in the society. And even we want you to take these sort of tools that we give you, these programming languages, technologies, whatever it is, we want you to take that, use it to build good solutions, things that will impact the community around you, or maybe open up your own startup. And that's really what we are here. And also, before moving forward, I want to play a video like which really inspired the whole developer student club community, and that is this is a community from Indonesia. So without wasting much time, I would like to play so that you can understand her journey.
The audio is not audible, Sai.
What Varun?
We can't hear the video. It's inaudible.
Acha, okay. Like the thing is, okay, then I will explain. Like there is a girl over here. Like she's from Indonesia, Developer Student Club, which is in Indonesia. So what she does is, like in her village, there is a village in Indonesia where uh, there are people there are like I mean for example what she is deaf and dumb. So what she does is she develops an application where she can speak with and communicate with the application which really helps people like they can buy their day-to-day lives, and also these people can also speak through, like they can communicate with the other people through a device like which she has developed an Android application, and that really helped out to the whole community in fact. So that was her story. It's okay, like there was a glitch technically, so I couldn't you people couldn't hear it. So I will drop a link in the description so that you can go back, come back, and you can see her journey. And for now, yes, this is the main question a lot of people are having. What are developer student clubs? Like, in short, if you want me to answer, I would say it's just university-based communities where you can learn new skills. New skills in the sense, every day we are, every day there's a new technology coming up in the community, in the society, to be honest. So, we will be teaching you about Google products, mainly Android, Kotlin, Firebase, Angular, Google Cloud Platform, where in Google, the specialty about Google Cloud Platform is you can practice yourself and be platform ready related to uh, cloud associate cloud engineer profiles. So that's the advantage, and you can learn with Google via Quick Labs, and you'll be getting free credits for that. And that's the swags which that's the giveaway which we are giving. And by next week we will be giving the free credits to all the students at University of Dayton. And moreover, you can also learn, we will be conducting workshops, and you can learn things related to Flutter as well. And also you can develop voice assistant applications, like you use Google Home, right, or kind of Alexa. So you can learn how to develop those things. And the best part of this is you can meet new people. I mean new people in the sense you can network with each other in an event. I mean, and also you can work on with them for a common problem which the society is facing, and you can come up with a solution for that, and you can submit the same solution to the Google, and you can get feature yourself on Google Developers Blog. And that's the amazing giveaway once again. And the last one is you can build solutions to impact your community, basically. And yes, as of now, we are four in the team, to be honest. These are co-team. Warren Nair, he is the co-lead, and Christian, he is the design lead, and Badri, he is our co-team member who is working in cloud-related stream as of now. And myself, I'm Saithan. Once again, I'm the DSC lead. And yeah, we will be moving to the next slide. And yes, what exactly can we do for you? As I mentioned earlier in the previous slide, like we'll be hosting workshops, we'll be giving speaker sessions. I mean, getting a lot of speakers from other domains, and we would like them to share their own journeys in tech career, so that we all can get benefited. And we also conduct study jams. These are all we do these sessions which are related to topics like app development in the sense whether it may be Java, kind of Android, or Flutter, or Kotlin, or kind of anything. And when it comes to cloud technology, I already mentioned that we will be moving with your Google Cloud platforms, where you'll be getting Quick Labs account for free, and also you'll be getting free credits for that, which you can use it for your own learning. Google will be helping with that by next week itself. And as soon as I get the codes, I will be sharing it in data groups, and also we'll be conducting workshops on big data and also on designs. And not to forget, we'll host sessions on machine learning and AI as well, so that people will learn, so that students will learn a lot of things and become industry ready. And yeah, we are not limited to these topics only, but we are open to any other topics as well. And yes, this is the best part, and you can also help, guys. We'll post about volunteer opportunities and open positions to all our chapter members, and you can talk about hosting workshops as well. You can communicate with us, and we will definitely get back to you and consider your inputs as well. And you can demo and showcase your projects to inspire others. And if that really makes a lot of sense in the community, then you will be featured on a Google Developers blog, which I already mentioned in the earlier. And yes, uh, this is the big thing. Like, what is the solutions challenge? Basically, like, uh, over the last 2 years, Google has been conducting these solutions challenge, and this year they again started coming up. Like, the thing is, it's an annual contest that invites students from various developer student clubs communities to develop solutions for local community problems, like using any of the Google products or any Google platforms. And you can team up with for up to 4 people maximum. And yes, and yeah, this is the question, like, why should you join? For example, the membership is free and there is no weekly commitment. And the best part is you will be having access to Google resources like Google Experts, Quick Labs, and Google Cloud badges. And you can learn a lot of new skills. And you'll be having an opportunity to work on a real project with a lot of people. I mean, with a lot of like-minded people, to be honest. And you will be having an opportunity to volunteer. And the last but not the least, you can showcase your resume as well. And now Varun will be taking over the session for the next few minutes. Varun, over to you.
Sure. So Google has a lot of interesting stuff that is going on, and especially in this coming week, within like probably 4 days, we have something really cool lined up for you guys. This is the Machine Learning Summit, where many people in this particular domain talk about a lot of cool stuff about machine learning. And this is a pretty exciting event, especially just because we started our chapter. The first event is probably going to be this one, and it's really fantastic. We have a lot of amazing people speaking over about machine learning, and please register at this one because if you're new into the field, this is the best step for you guys. And another one that we're coming up is Firebase. Yes, this is another summit, and it's about Firebase. For those who don't know what Firebase is, it's about backend as a service. And backend as a service means it tracks your metrics and it helps you really understand how to develop your applications, be it web or be it mobile. And this is really insightful if you're also getting into this particular web domain or even mobile application domain. And this is happening at end of this month, and registration links are given in the slides. And maybe Sai can also copy and paste it in the comment section so you guys can register into it. Awesome.
Yes, yes. And we do have a lot of upcoming sessions, and the upcoming sessions are, we are going to start the Flutter Developer Series event, which is on October 8th and 15th, where it will be about 1.5 hour session. So you can do register, and we will share the scanners as well, so that you can scan and you can join our chapters, so that you won't miss any event. And also we do have a cloud study jam series and machine learning speaker series. We have partnered with GDG Cloud Toronto, and they are conducting these events, and we are good to go. And also we also have this fireside chat with Dr. John, and he'll be helping out, and he'll be sharing his own experiences related to 5S on October 14th. All these sessions are already kept on our chapter website as well. And yes, I'm speaking with the I'm speaking about chapter, right? So if you want to join in our developer student clubs University of Dayton chapter, so sign up as a member. You can just open your mobile and you can scan this barcode, and it will redirect you to a link which is already displayed in the below. So open that and join the chapter, so that whenever we initiate, we host an event, you can register and you can attend the event, so that you won't miss any updates from us. And one more thing is which is really important. If you're really interested to be a part of the core team, and if you would like to contribute a lot to the team and be the face of the University of Dayton campus, so we all suggest to apply and submit your application. You can scan the barcode here, or else you can go through the link which is displayed, and it is even kept it in the description link as well, so that you need not worry. You can come back and you can apply later. We have different fields actually which are vacant. Some of the fields are technical lead, communication lead, content lead, marketing lead. For these positions, we have vacancies. So, for example, if you are really interested and if you feel like contributing to the community, then you can submit your responses, and within a week we will get back to you and have a chat with you and onboard you as soon as possible to the core team, and we can start working on the future sessions as well. And yes, these are our social media profiles. We are active on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook as well. Just type DSU Dayton, that's fine. And we are also there on Twitter as well. And you can keep following us. We'll be posting all our updates in various social media profiles. So don't miss out any of our announcements in these groups. And I think it's time for question and answers. So if you have any question and answers, it would be great. We will be taking on few. Varun, can you just show those question and answers if there are any in the comment section? You can show them.
Yeah, I just see one by Jared. Jared, he mentioned that will these dates information be available in the UDDSC chapter website,
Yes,
and
yes,
yes, it will be.
yes. It will be available. Like just a minute, or else I will take you to our portal, so that you need not worry. I think you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So these are chapter things. So whenever you open, this will be coming. Like if you're interested, you can join the chapter, and we'll be having our upcoming sessions. Like we'll be posting few more sessions which we have mentioned you earlier, like on October 10th, October 14th, and all. It will be displayed, and you can just click on view details, and you can just RSVP it, log into RSVP, and you are good to go. And you'll be getting emails on how to join the sessions as well. And yes, and any other questions we have?
None so far.
Okay, and also like if you have any questions related to the group, you can ping me or Varun or
Christian,
Christian or Badri or any one of us, and we will reply you as soon as possible. Or else you can write an email to us as well, and, which is dsudaton@gmail.com for now. Or else you can ping us in any of the social media profiles officially.
I also
And
given my email address in the comment section, so you guys can just check it out and feel free to reach out. We're happy to answer your questions.
yes, I think we are good to go. So thank you so much, guys, for coming here, and have a great weekend. Be safe and take care of yourself and your family as well. Bye.
Thanks. Take care, guys.